Next review.
Oh, this is just great. That stupid fish keep beating me.
Just keep trying.
So what are you playing?
Banjo-Tooie. A new game where all The Dillony Gamehouse's Adventure Association has issued an AmandaPlease.com warning for the EAS city shows until 3 p.m. Eastern Time. The Amanda show indicates a virus that could harm your edges, sacks, or fishes. The virus will explode all shows such as Canon and Kel, Cousin Skeeter, Regular Show, Mordecai and the Objection of the 2 and 20, and Blondecay and the Bird Robins. Please give caution to all the shows for the Dillony Gamehouse's Adventure Association. If you don't put your shows into the Nokia City Shelter, get your shows to it now. Set your radio to 1230 AM or 560 AM for more information.
That was pretty cool.